Welcome to my channel. This is your host Robert, and in today's video we will be estimating 50 Shades of Mom YouTube income. Currently she has 1,115 uploads, 22,600 subscribers, and 3,671,342 views. Now according to Social Blade, in the last 30 days she had 77,000 views. So to get daily views, you would do 77,000 divided by 30, and we get daily views of 2,570. CPM is the amount that advertisers will pay the content creator for every 1,000 video views. So based on my estimate, I gave her a $10 CPM. So that means that for every 1,000 video views, her channel is able to generate $10. Now let's calculate daily income. So we take the daily views, which is 2,570, and you multiply it by a $10 CPM, which is 0.01, and we get $25.70. So now monthly income is $25.70 multiplied by 30, and we get $771. Now annual revenue, and this is going to be an estimate, so the revenue is $771 multiplied by 12, and we get $9,252. Now of course with this, YouTube gets a cut of the revenue, YouTube gets 45%, and this channel gets 55%. So in reality, you have to do $9,252 multiplied by 0.55, and you get $5,088.60. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know the next YouTuber you want me to do next.